Dear students, today I am going to discuss with you about farm accounting. It is the third lecture on farm accounting. In my previous video, I already discussed with you theory part of the farm accounting and cattle account related problems. Today I am going to discuss with you problems which are related to crops and crown account. So already I discussed cattle account. See here, it is a crop and crown account format. How it is? See, there is a opening stock of crowns, growing crops, fertilizers, whatever it is. Opening stock we have to write in debit side, and in that debit side also comes all kinds of expenses which is related to crop and crown account. And then in sales side there is a sales which is given like a crown and straw, and drawings which is owner or proprietor whatever the crops and crowns used for the household purpose, that is treated as a drawings. Then livestock section which is used crops and crown, so it is a income to the crop and crown account. So that's why it is a livestock account, it is going to be debit, and in crop and crown account it is a credit side. Then closing stock of a crown, growing crops and fertilizers. So this is a format, and difference between the debit side and credit side, there is a profit, gross profit. That profit will be transferred to general P&L account. So this one is a simple format which is related to crop and crown account. So I will discuss with you some of the problems which is related to crops and crown account. See here, one of the example illustration is in your book, that is a simple problem which is related to crops and crown account. See, I will read the problem. From the following particulars of a highland farm, prepare the crops and crown account for the year ending 31st/3/2012. So in that there is a stock on 1/4/2011. It means it is a opening stock. So because our accounting year is going to be start on April 1st, that's why 1/4/2011 it shows the opening stock of a crown, growing crops and fertilizers, and it is going to be end 31st/3/2012, that is March 31st. It means it is all things are closing stock, that is a crown, growing crops and fertilizers. Then sales also given. See here, crown, straw, already I discussed in the format. So opening stock will be in debit side and closing stock will be in credit side, and sales will be in credit side. Crop expenses, seeds and fertilizers, this one comes expenditure side or debit side. Then wages and salaries, debit side. Farmhouse expenses also debit side. Repairs to machinery and equipments, it is comes in debit side. Then depreciation on machinery and equipments, it is also comes debit side. Then see here, crops and crown worth rupees 8,000 grown in the crops and corn section was used for feeding the livestock of the livestock section. So here livestock section are used crops and corn worth rupees 8,000 from a crops and corn section. So here we have to show that crops and corn 8,000 debit in the livestock account. Then same time we have to show livestock account credit in crops and crown account, because we used the 8,000 worth rupees crop and crown for the livestock feeding. So that's why it is debited to the livestock account and credited to the crops and crown account. In the name of livestock account we have to credit that one in crops and crown account. So then next worth worth rupees 2000 was consumed by the proprietor for his household. So it is a consumer himself consumed. It is going to be treated as drawings. So how they solved the problem? See here, crops and crown account for the year ending 31st/3/2012. There is a opening stock which is available in problem. See here, there is opening stock of corn, growing crops, fertilizers. All these things comes debit side. Then wages and salaries expenses. We have to take this amount, and farmhouse expenses. Then repair, crop expenses also is there. Expenses, crop expenses, seeds and fertilizers. We have to take this one also debit side. And also one more thing debit side, that is a repairs to machineries and depreciation on machineries and equipments. These all things comes under debit side. So same time we have to show in credit side, that is the sales which is given in the problem, sales. So that sales comes credit side. Then we have to take that one which is crops and corn consumed by the livestock section. That one we have to show in credit side, because it is income to the crops and corn account, and it is debited to the livestock section. So in the name of livestock section we have to show in credit side. So that is 8,000. Then closing stock already they have given. See here, 31st/3/2012. All the closing stock, corn, growing crops and fertilizers we have to show in closing stock credit side. And then whatever the difference between debit side and credit side, we have to make total, that one. In this problem there is a debit side total is 1 lakh and credit side total is 90,000 going to become, because see here 60,000 and 8,000 68, then again 22,000, that is 80,000, 22,000, 60,000, 8,000, 68, 70, then 80, 90,000. Then 90,000 and debit side total is 1 lakh. The difference between the both is, that is a 10,000. So here debit side total is highest and credit side total is low. So that's why it is a loss from which crops and corn account. So 10,000 is going to be difference between debit side and credit side, and debit side total is high as compared to credit side. So that's why it is a loss. So it is a problem which is related to crops and corn. If the credit side total is highest than the debit side total, then we have to treat it as a profit. But here it is a loss, 10,000 loss. So same problem which is given in your exercise section B exercise, there is also one problem related to crop and corn account. So this one is problem number 9 and problem number 10. Both are related to crop account. So now I am going to discuss with you the problem number 9. So see here, whatever the problems they have given, see, from the information given below, prepare the crop account to ascertain the gross profit of the section of the farm. So this is a problem what they have given. See here, opening stock, this is comes grains, seeds and fertilizer comes opening stock debit side, purchase seeds and fertilizers debit side, sales of grains credit side, grains distributed as a wages. The wages, already we studied types of transactions in farm accounting, that is cash transaction, credit transaction and exchange transaction, and one more thing is that is a notional transactions. These all things already we studied. Then here sales of grains, it is a credit side. Then grains distributed as a wages. So in that wages will be in any kind. and features of farm accounting already we studied. In that, wages will be as a cash or any kind. So in here they paid wages as grains. Whatever the grains is there, as that grains will be distributed as a wages. So it is going to be it comes both side, debit side and credit side, because it is a income to the grains is a income to the crop account, and it is wages is the expenses to the crop accounts. That's why it is comes both side. I will explain while solving the problem. See here, wages paid in cash, it comes expenses, it is treated as expenses, and it comes debit side. Then grains used by the proprietor, it is drawings. Then grains consumed by the livestock section, so it is income to the crop and crown account, and debited amounted to the livestock section. Repairs and maintenance expenses, depreciation, it is also shows in debit side. Crop insurance debit side. Closing stock will be in credit side. So it is the problem number 9. So I solved that one. See here, there is a problem number 9. I already solved that one. I will explain that one. Crop account. So crop account, which is problem number 9. In that we have to show opening stock in debit side, that is a grain, seeds and fertilizer, which is given in the problem. So that one we have to write here debit side. Then same time we have to write sales grains, that is a credit side. Then same time purchases of seeds and fertilizers, which is given in the problem, we have to write that one in debit side. And wages will be in as a grains is distributed as wages, and wages as given as cash, both. So we have to write that wages in 2 debit side, and 1 that wages is given as grains 33,000, we have to show it credit side too, because that grains is income to the crop and crop account. So that's why we have to show that grains as distributed as wages in credit side, and both wages as given in grains and wages is paid in as a cash, both we have to show in debit side. Then repairs and maintenance, depreciation, insurance, these all things which are related to the expenses, so we have to show that one in debit side. And see here, the proprietor whatever things consumed, it is treated as a drawings, we have to write that one too, it is given in the problem. Then livestock section, consumed the crops and crop account, it is a crop and crown account credit side. And in livestock account it is going to be debited 27,000, and closing stock whatever the given, we have to write that all things. And total will be 4,67,000. in both side we have to write that one. And difference between the debit and credit side, in here credit side amount is higher than the debit side, that's why it is a profit. 1,31,000 will be gross profit. So it is all about crop and crown account, problem number 9, which is given in your book exercise section B in exercise 9. So it is a crop and crown account. And another one problem that is given, prepare crop account from the following information: opening stock and closing stock, purchases, wages, and sale of rice consumed by the proprietor, rice destroyed by the rodents, then depreciation on farm equipments. These all things is available in the information available in the problem. So this problem, same problem asked in 2019 degree first sem exam, financial accounting first sem exam 2019. This same problem will be same problem asked. So in 5 marks, so we have to solve this one. See here, it is a very simple problem. Opening stock is given, it is comes debit side, closing stock will be in credit side, then purchases will be debit side, wages in cash and wages in kind, it means rice. So in cash, in kind of rice, it is going to be showing in debit side, and in rice it is going to be showing in credit side too, because it is wages is in rice, it is income to the crop and crown account. So sale of rice, we have to write it in credit side. Rice consumed by the proprietor, it is drawings, then it is also going to be showing in credit side. Then rice destroyed by rodents, it is abnormal loss, we have to show it in debit side. Then depreciation on the farm equipment, it is also going to be in debit side. So you have to solve this one problem. Already I explained all the things, and you have to solve this one. It is a problem which is asked in 2019 question paper, and also see here RCU 2011 and 2019 question is same question is repeated. So it is a important one, you have to solve this one, crop account related problem. So next class I will continue. Before that there is another illustration is available in your book. That is the illustration number which one? Illustration number 8. Illustration number 8, it is also related to crop account, which is solved one. So you have to refer that one. Illustration number 8, crop account related problem, which one already I solved. Problem number 9, like that only it is. So it is the solved one, you have to solve that one too. So it is for your homework. So it is a solved one, you have to refer all the things which is given in your book and solve that one. So it is a solved one, and I will continue in next class. Okay, thank you.